EPF has reduced its stake in MAHB by 7.9% in less than a year. That's from 223.3 million shares at the end of September 2015 to 205.6 million shares on June 29th this year. This leaves EPF with about 12% of MAHB's shares, so it's still a substantial shareholder of MAHB. According to a Bursa filing yesterday, EPF acquired 1.22 million shares of MAHB and disposed them in 3 tranches for a total of 1.62 million shares. The transaction price was not disclosed, but on June 29, 2016, MAHB was trading between 5 ringgit and 97 cent to 6 ringgit and 40 cent and closed lower at 6 ringgit 10 cent compared to its previous day's closing of 6 ringgit and 34 cent. Now moving into the third quarter of this year, it will be interesting to see if EPF will continue to dump more of MAHB's shares. MIDF Research has cut its GDP forecast for Malaysia this year from 4.4% to 4% on the weak global outlook. It believes that the economic slowdown is likely to stay, with the leading indicator falling deeper into the red. MIDF says that many businesses will opt for a wait-and-see approach, which in turn will lead to stagnancy in the economy. And Brexit isn't helping either. Because of the headwinds, MIDF expects Bank Negara to cut the OPR by 50 basis points this year, 25 in September and another 25 in November. It is not expecting a rate hike by the US Federal Reserves. As for inflation, MIDF thinks it's in line with its expectations. It's keeping its inflation forecast for this year at 2.6%. Hong Leong Investment Bank Research says this is an opportune time to accumulate shares of Tommypack Holdings. The packaging company's stock has been on a downward trend since the closing of its rights issue with warrants last month. The new rights issue will be listed today, which according to the research house means the share price could be in for some selling pressure in the short term. But considering its fundamentals, this is going to make its valuations more attractive. In a note today, Hong Leong said that at yesterday's close of 1 ringgit 86 cent, Tommypack's PE is trading at a 22% discount to competitor Dai Bokchi Plastic and Packaging Industry Berhad. And benchmarking PB, Tommypack is trading at a 46% discount to its peers PB and 45% to Dai Bokchi's. The research house said its long-term fair value for Tommypack is 2 ringgit and 36 cent. That's almost a 27% upside. Tommypack's shares closed today at 1 ringgit 82 cent. Malaysia's palm oil inventories are expected to rise for the first time in 7 months. This is because of a seasonal jump in production and waning demand during the Ramadan month, which means we will see the already low CPO price face further pressure. At the moment, the tropical oil is traded at a 7-month low of 2,317 ringgit per ton due to rising output. According to a Reuters survey, Malaysia's palm oil stock at end June will hit 1.77 million tons, which is a 7.4% higher than the previous month. The survey participants say while production will continue rising in the coming months until the last quarter, hurting CPO prices, yields are forecast to be lower than usual due to the impact of El Nino. Sime Darby Auto Performance, the authorized importer of Porsche vehicles, has announced the pricing of the new Porsche Mercat. The base price for the entry-level luxury SUV starts from 415,000 ringgit. This comes with a 4-year warranty and complimentary service and maintenance package. The enhanced Mercat was just introduced in May at the Sepang International Kart Circuit. Its turbocharged 2-litre engine delivers 252 horsepower from 5,000 to 6,800 RPM, an increase of 15 horsepower from its predecessor. This means the new Mercat is able to accelerate to 229 km per hour and hit 100 km per hour in 6.7 seconds. Some of the car's features include the latest generation of Porsche communication management. It also uses ultrasonic interior surveillance for its anti-theft protection. We at the Edge TV will be taking a break during the Hari Raya Aidilfitri holiday. We'll be back on Monday, July 11th. In the meantime, we'd like to wish all our Muslim viewers a blessed Aidilfitri, and if you're heading home to your family, please drive safe.